All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to open up your door to your charging port, your battery, and your micro SD card. If you're looking at your GoPro Hero 13 Black and you're looking at the lens, you see this logo here. If you slide to the left, you're going to see there's a door here. It's got a little hinge, then it slides down and there's like a little lip thing there. You see that? So the way you get this open, the way I do it, is I get my fingernail and I shove it in there. And what I've got to do is I've got to push it. And what I do is I'll put my finger over here and I'll push against it and it pops up. And then I can just open it up. And you can see your ports in there. There's your charge port, here's your battery, and there's your micro SD card port right there with the micro SD card. And you'll notice this has this little smusher. So when you shut it, it pushes against the battery and makes sure there's a good contact. And that's how you shut it, just like that. And bam, Bob's your uncle. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on the GoPro Hero 13 Black. Peace out.